Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm so excited to be opening up my next kit for Cheaply Chic, Miss Lynnette. And she has a YouTube channel as well as an Etsy shop. I'm on her design team, and so I received her most recent kit, which I can't remember let's open it up. I can't remember what this one was called, but I know it's a fairy theme. And I did watch her like preview video of her putting together some of the items. So I thought it's like a fairy and a mushroom theme called Blossom. So this is really cute. I love the bright colors on this, and this paper is very so pretty. Okay, so with her kits, if you've never watched any of her videos or my previous videos, she makes a decorated cover with pages on the inside that are mostly empty, but they're different, all different pages. She decorates this, and then she includes an ephemera pack that you use to decorate the inside of the book. So it comes with these items. So I'll go ahead and open up the book. Love this bright red seam binding that she tied it up with. And this is beautiful. I love it. These are really cool, these crochet pieces. And then on the other side is a really pretty blue. It says forget-me-not with some flowers. So this is what the inside looks like. She includes tea-stained papers, vintage book pages. This one happens to be from a fruit book. And then music pages for signature heart dyed paper. And there's some composition pages there, some grid paper, some colored lined paper, music writing paper, ledger paper. So just a variety of pages, and just ready to be decorated with all the fun goodness in this pack. So let's go ahead and open that up. So pretty. I'll pull this part open. All right. Nope, it's sticking to it here. So cool. Okay, so I'll start down here. She always includes a little baggie of yarns and trims and fibers and things that match perfectly with the colors of the book. And then she includes a little glassine baggie of paper clips. And then she always makes a wax thread book marker with little beads on the end that coordinate. I was going to pull it open for you. So opens up like this, and you just lay it in whatever page that you're working on, and the beads go on the outside, and it just looks really cool when it's out there. And then this time she included a binder clip with a chain and a mushroom charm. It's really cute. And then she also included some flash or light bulb safety pins with a slide, a Fujichrome slide, and a wood heart button. That's really cool. That'll be fun to alter. In this little packet, She has vintage mushroom playing card, a little seed packet that's really cute to make a little pocket on a page. And then in here she has a bunch of small tags and tickets and little punch outs. Open this up here. I really love the little yellow bag. So there is some craft colored tags. This is a little mason jar and a couple style tag or price tags there. These are the punch outs from the paper. This time she did a mason jar, whoops, some butterflies, some hearts, some mushrooms. And then, yeah, that's what those are. And let's see, then there are some vellum stickers. So there's mushrooms and a couple of fairies. These are really cute. And then these are some really cool tickets, 50/50. A couple more mason jars from the paper, a claim check, a red tag, little white tags, and then another claim check. So that's cool. So that's super fun. On this pack, there is this really fun postcard of a fairy, and then another postcard. This is a vintage one of some mushrooms. That's really pretty. A doily. And then inside this are the bigger tags and other items like guest checks and library card pockets with the library card. This cute little window envelope. I think you put a gift card in there, but you know, for junk journal you can put whatever. So that's really cool. Here's the library card in the pocket. Memory Dex card. Always fun to alter these. She always does a really cool stamp on one of the manila tags, and that's so cute. I love that. Guest check, a plain manila tag, a flash card. These cute little label stickers. And then she always makes a large tag with the paper. And then here's a time card. And that's it in that little baggie. Okay, and then the rest of the items are all here. So this was a cut apart from the collection. That's really cute. An empty seed packet, really cool. Here are some mushroom notes. Those are cute. A really cool napkin to go along with the theme. Some sticker labels that you can alter, and then a white envelope. And then this is some really cool handmade paper, really neat. A couple different squares of the paper that coordinate with the paper on the front of the cover. So that is really cute. And then there's some book pages. This one is from one of the little flower books. Lupine flower book page. And then this looks like some flower poems from a poem book. This is a Tinkerbell book page. It says Tinkerbell up there. Another one. So that's really cool. This is from a flower fairy book. Very cool. And then a piece of wallpaper. So that's really neat. So yeah, I look forward to making stuff in this book because I love this theme. I've never done a mushroom or a fairy theme, so I'm really looking forward to doing this one. So stay tuned and go over and check out Lynnette's channel, Cheaply Chic, as well as her Etsy shop. I'll have the links down below. And yeah, be sure to follow along here. Subscribe if you haven't, so that you'll get to see my future videos when I do some things in this book. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.